New project. This is my car Bible. It has been in my car. I've been trying to think. Even before I made this video, I thought, gosh, how long has this been in my car? Maybe 4 or 5 years at least. And it is completely disintegrating. I don't know, like from the heat and all that. I have to figure out some way to save that. I'd like to anyway. But look, see, they tore out the presentation page, which really starts the beginning of the end. Yes, it's rough, but oh yeah. You want to see something cool too? I noticed yesterday when I was going through it. It was printed in England. Ireland. It's Ireland. Cool, huh? Yeah, it's a little rough. I've already been fixing little pages here and there. It's very small print. But let me get there, getting there. I don't want it to close on me, that's why I'm going slow. It's red letter. And all the pilcrows are in the right place. Meaning there's no additional pilcrows. And they're all there. No additions, no subtractions of the pilcrows. It's trying to close on me. There it is, 2036. The last one. Yeah, we got some issues going on here. Somehow I've got to save this. Gotta save that too. Put it in the new one. So you can see where the little binding here, like where that line, can you see it on the camera? Yeah, that line right there. There we go. That line. That's where I've got to cut it out. See here? That binding there. Oh, thunder. All the way down. I've got to cut it out there, like with my razor blade. And then I'm gonna have to use a manila envelope. These are really, really thin. But see, I gotta use a manila envelope. I don't have any long cardstock. Yeah, look at this. I mean, you can see how crooked it is. It is just gotta get fixed. So that's gonna be my next project Bible. And I think I'm gonna go with the turquoise pigskin suede. And it'll be this side. This side. Wow, can you smell that? I wish you could smell it. So you see how thin it is? It's so easy to work with because it's so thin. And then I could do the edging. I have this similar color in the archival ink, because when you cut it, it makes a white edge. So that was already there when it was dyed. Do I have a cut piece? Oh, well, maybe not on this one. The red one did. I had to go back with the archival ink. See what happens when I don't delete videos? Okay, so I'm going to use this, I'd like to do another gold ribbon. I'll probably do red. I'm thinking about red for the art gilding around the pages. I'm thinking about that color again, maybe with the gold ribbon. Where's the gold ribbon at? Where did I put it? Oh, who knows? It's probably already gone. Over here. So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Okay, y'all. Bye. I just realized what would make this Bible even more amazing. Because it's like there needs to be something here. So you know those craft, is it a burnishing tool? Like a branding tool that has the letters? And so it like burns like a whole HOLYBIBLE and like little, that would be cool, right? Because I'm like, man, I feel like it's just not completed yet. And same with the red one, but that little, right, burned or burnished, or the little heat gun tool thing, and you'd be like, so HOLYBIBLE, that would be awesome. Okay, it's finished. I hadn't really, planned on finishing it today. It just kind of worked out like that. And again, I did the gold ribbon. Man, this thing was tough. I was struggling. I did the red art gilding, and I had to use the manila envelopes, and so I got them glued real good there. It's tight. It was tough because that presentation page was gone. Otherwise I would have glued that to here. I got messy. Why isn't it focusing? I got messy. But here, why isn't it focusing again? So I need to loosen it up, just a little bit. I need to loosen it up. There we go, that's a little better. There we go. Much better. There's the ribbon. Kind of nervous to do that, but I gotta do it. Yeah, see, it wants to close. It's because of the manila envelopes are so stiff. And then I did that one real good there too. But oh my goodness, you guys, this one was in such bad shape. But now it's back together. That's amazing. But it still has some spine problems. Like, see, you can see how it sits at a funny angle. I really tried to fix that, but I don't even know. I just couldn't do it. I don't have enough experience. See if I do that. Right? It moves it, but I just don't have enough experience to know what to do, or, you know, I can only break it down so far to build it back up because I don't really know what I'm doing. But smell-o-vision, suede. It's amazing. Alright, thank you guys for joining me again. Seeing a little tiny burnished letters, KJV. In Holy Bible. See, here you can see that the spine is wonky there. Because it's nice this way, but then it like moves. Anyway. That's paint, by the way. Paint everywhere. I'm such a messy crafter. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for being my little somebodies. I love y'all. Have a blessed day. Bye.